For basic information, a preposition is a word which indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words in the sentence. Prepositions are very important because they help us understand situation, position, time, connection.
Hope you have understood that our today's quiz is based on prepositions. So get set going. And the answer is I'm anxious about his health. The answer is it's no use knocking your head against the wall trying to convince everyone. Make up your mind and act accordingly. The answer is this shop doesn't have the books we were searching for. The answer is my friend's dad met with an accident yesterday. I truly felt for him. And the answer here is I started for school late today. The answer for this is I cannot comply with your request. I'm sorry. They called for the immediate release of the hostages. And the answer is they have informed the police of the accident. And the answer here is the judge doesn't care about your objections. The answer here is I was anxious to go to tonight's party. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep connected.